guys, welcome to another episode of Make Money Online. Right here, you know how we do it. Today, we're going to be talking about how to generate or create a new password for your Amazon VPS or RDP. Now, sorry, let me correct this. We're going to be talking about how you can generate or create a new password for your Amazon VPS or your Amazon RDP, whichever you love to call it. Okay, so right now I believe that you already have an Amazon account. However, if you don't have an Amazon account, then I guess this should not be your problem, isn't it, right? So I guess you already have an Amazon VPS or RDP account. So if you already have it, then congratulations, and you have issues like creating a new password, you lost your old password, you want to log in to the RDP on your laptop, and you simply can't get the password because you forgot or you misplaced it, or you simply just want to generate a new one because you simply give the password to someone to log in and you want to change it so you could have a new one to log in to that particular VPS or RDP. Then welcome to this video because this video is definitely for you. Now, don't forget, if you're right here for the first time, don't forget, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, smash the bell icon so whenever I do beautiful videos like this, you'll be one of the first few people to get started, watch my video, and of course, learn things to help you upskill yourself in your online journey. Now, take for the leg, we're going to be starting right here at the Amazon console home. So if you're just logging into your Amazon account, you're going to be seeing something like this. Amazon console, that's the home. Okay. So for those of you that don't have this, recently visit EC2 right here as your home page, then simply go right here, service. Let me zoom in. Right here where it says service. Now click on it, click on the service. Now, when it gets to the service page, you're going to see stuff like this, recently visit, blah, blah, blah. So just come right here to all services. Now, when you get to the all services, come back right here and scroll down to where you see E, because that's where the VPS and RDPs are always located. So just come right here. Now, this is E. Now, we're going to click on this first one, which is EC2. Sorry, this EC2, we're going to click on it. I'm going to wait till it loads up. So we're right here on the EC2 server. Then we're going to want to click on instances because this instances is our RDP or VPN, whatever you like to call it. So I've got two right here. So I'm just going to click on instances running. Okay, so these are our instances that are running. So if you just have one, you're just going to see one right here. Now, we want to select whichever one we want to change password or generate a new password for. So I'm selecting this particular one because that's the one I want to create password. I want to generate a password for. I want to change a new password for. Now, since it's selected right here, we're going to come right here where it says action. We're going to click connect. Or you can simply come right here above, right here where it says connect and click connect. Okay, now we are right here. And for those of you who this is not the first time of being on our channel, several videos about RDPs and VPS, you will know that for us to get started, we have to come right here to the RDP client, which is the RDP client login. We're going to click on it right here. And right here we have our login details. We've got the public DNS, which is what we're using to recognize our RDP. That's what we're using to recognize our RDP right here. So we're going to copy it. If you want to log into an RDP, you need to copy this first. Then that's like the number one thing. That's how your computer is going to know that this is an RDP. Then after that, this is the username they're going to put in, then before the password. Now, if you've already created this for the first time before, you've already created this, which means you already have a password, and you come right back here, you're still going to get back right into this. It's still going to say get password. That's how it is. Okay. Now, if you get a new password, the old one is not going to work. That's you like changing the old password. But if you haven't created one before, it's still the same process. But mind you, if you have created one before, let me go back right to the EC2 and show you something. If you've already created one before, coming, I want to show you where it says where there are keys, the key pair right here. If you already created one before, then you're going to have a key pair. And you still need to have this key pair on your computer. When you create a key pair, it got downloaded into your computer. So which means you still need to have the downloaded file on your computer. If you don't have it, then you cannot change the password. Okay. However, for those of you who are just creating a new one, just generating a new password, you haven't created anyone before, then obviously you have this because you just generated it while creating the account, while creating the VPS or RDP also. So it's free. Now let's go right back to this, to where the instances are, and we're just gonna select the one we wanna. It's already selected, so I'm just gonna come. I'm just gonna come right here, select it, and click connect. Okay. So now we're connected. I'm gonna come right here where it says the RDP client. Click on it. Then we're gonna come right here. I'm gonna hit generate password. Okay, now you can see it loads up. Now it says we should upload the private key file. So that's why I said you need to still have that file. So I'm gonna come right here. This is the name or title of the key file. So I'm just gonna come right here. And of course I have it right here because I just generated this a couple of days ago and it's the last thing I generated. So right here, then want to hit decrypt password. And right here, voila, we have our password. Okay, so that's just how to generate a new password or create or change the old password you have for your Amazon VPS or RDP. Now, if you're just tuning into us for the first time, don't worry, guys. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, smash the bell icon so whenever we drop beautiful videos like this, you'll be one of the first few people to get started. Watch our videos, and of course, be the best of your dream. Okay. Don't forget, guys, I remain your one and only Olawale Yusuf, and this is Next Lance. You are on to Next Lance. This is not a goodbye, but it's a good day.